Hi everyone, welcome back to another class in our C Sharp Beginner series. Today we're going to learn something very important, which is the variables and data types. That is the building blocks of every C Sharp program. Don't worry, I'll keep it simple and very easy to understand. So let's dive in. 2 days ago we discussed what variables are. Yesterday we discussed what data types are. So today in this video we'll be going into practical. So first of all, let me quickly just run what we have done so far. What are variables? So a variable is like a container that holds information like your name, like your age, or whether you are a student. So in C Sharp, we need to tell the computer two things when we create a variable. So there are two important things we need to tell the computer when we want to create a variable. First of all, the type of data. Is it a text data? Is it a number data? Is it a true or false data? Then the name of the variable, what you want to call the container. So let's open our Visual Studio and practice together. So currently, we created our first Hello World application. So you can just continue from where we just started. So this is the application we created that we wrote Hello World Stanley. So this is the environment, the Visual Studio environment. So let's dive in and let's practice it together. So first of all, let's create our first few variables. So let's say, for instance, we have a string first name, string first name is equals to Nonny. Please pay attention very well. String first name is equals to Nonny. So this is the first variable, which is a string. The name of the variable is first name, and what is holding is Nonny, which is a text. So the second one is a int, int age is equals to 25. So you can see the second one. Then the third one, I'm going to create about five variables. So please just follow through so that we can learn together. So the next one is bool. Bool is student is equals to, let's say, true. Please pay attention. Then the fourth one, let's say double. This is what we have learned so far in our previous video. Double score is equals to 92.5. Then the last one is character, which is the grade. The grade is equals to A. So we have about five variables here. And these five variables is what we have discussed so far: the string, the int, the bool, the double, and the character. You can see the name of this string is first name, the name of this int is age, the name of this bool is student, the name of double is call, and the name of character is grade. So you can see for the first string first name, you can see the name is in between double quotes. You can see it here, Nonny. You can see the second one, int age, no double quotes. You can see bool is student, there is no double quotes. Then you can see double score, the data, no double quotes. Then you can see the character grade. The grade is in between a single quote. So what differentiates between a string and a grade is a string is you store them in a double quote, while a character you store them in a single quote. So after every variable, you have to put this symbol, variables. So let's dive in. So we are still trying to declare our variables. So like I said, I've explained all the variables here one after the other. So let's go into to display our values now. So what we did now is to declare our variables. So what I'm going to do next is to display these variables on our console application. So let me run this through. We have Console.WriteLine. That if you want to display your variables on your console, use Console.WriteLine. In our first practical, we did Console.WriteLine Hello World Stanley. So this Console.WriteLine are method that are used to display variables on our console application. So console write line, and let's go first name, close the brackets. then the second one. So first of all, let's over into this age. You see, the variable age is assigned, but its value is never used. It's showing us what we need to do. We have already assigned this variable. We have assigned 25 to this age, but we have not used it. We have already declared this variable and assigned this variable. Its age equals to 25, but the value has never been used. So like this first name, we have declared it, we have assigned it, and we have used it here, which is first name. That is why this is not showing an error. So let's go to the next one. The next one is console.WriteLine age. You can see the IntelliSense is only showing me what next I will do. So you can see console.WriteLine. Here, let me type it together so that it doesn't confuse you. Write line, sorry, write line H. You can see the error has disappeared. Let's go to the third one. The next one is console.WriteLine X students. Console.WriteLine. Let's say is students. So this is the next one. Let's go to the fourth one. Console.WriteLine. Hope you are following me. Hope you are enjoying what you are doing. Just follow me one after the other. Then we have score. So you can see console.WriteLine score. Then the next one, which is the last one, is console.WriteLine is equals to score. Sorry, it's equals to grades. We have done score already. Let's do is equals to grade. So you can see all these errors have disappeared. So what we have done now, we have declared our variables, we have assigned our variables, and also we want to display our variables to the console. So if you have just finished writing this, displaying your variables, let's now run our application. Remember in our first application we did, which is the Hello World application, we clicked on this start, that is this play button here, start without debugging. In case your own is not working, just kindly click on Control plus the F5 button. So let me run the application so that you see all what you have written here. So you see console.WriteLine, hello world Stanley, first name, Nonny, age 25, is student through 92.5, and the grade A. So let's display the variables on our console application. So let's quickly recap before the value comes up. A variable stores data. Every variable has a type. We use equals to assign a value, and we use console.WriteLine to show our result. So you can see the results here on the screen. I don't know if you are seeing it, but if you are not, let me just enlarge it more. So you can see, sorry, it's on the screen. So you can see the result on the screen. You can see hello world, Stanley, Nonny, 25 through 92.5 and A. So this is all what we have written here. Let me bring it down so that you see it here. So you can see string first name is Nonny, is displayed here. You can see age 25 is student through double score 92.5 character grade A, which is A here. So you can see everything we have written here is displayed on this screen, which is very, very important. So now is your turn. This is a student practice. I want you to create the following variables on your own. If you understand what you just did just now, if you are following me through from the beginning of this video to this time. So what I want you to do now, what I want you to do now is to create your own variables on your own. Let me just give you the following variables I'm going to create. You create a string for course name. You create an int for duration. You create a bool for has started. You create a double for course fee, and you create a character for section. Then after that, you use your console.WriteLine to display each of these variables. So this is your assignment I'm going to give you. So just once you have done, you can just put it on the comment section, the results or how you did it. Just put it on the comment section, how you're able to assign the variables, how you're able to declare the variables, and how you're able to display the variables. So these are the variables I'm going to ask you to do on your own on your system. So great job today, everyone. You have just taken a big step in your coding journey. So don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to drop a comment if you have learned something new. And don't forget to subscribe for more beginner friendly C# tutorial. See you in the next video.